Yeah, we just living in a solar system. One big world here to hold the wisdom. One big jail to control the victims. We're all here trying to find a soul in rhythm, and a voice in writing, and a choice decided whether or not to follow what the boys are like and what the girls are doing, or we gotta be exposed to. Think about who you are when it's so true. Think about the people who you think have really known you. Do they really know you? Do you even know you? Damn, this shit is like a Jaden Smith tweet. Sometimes you gotta think about how crazy shit be, and lately it seems to make the extreme so prominent and dominant in making big dreams. I'm seeing aliens scream when I go to sleep, man, my brain needs fixing. But I'm just trying to make it in life. Fuck you to the people who be saying it like I ain't making it right. Take a vacation and hike, I'm chilled out. Bitches getting famous despite the fact that I'm young and a little bit nerdy, and I know a lot of people will consider me early. I'm just a little kid working, trying to configure my searches, trying to deliver my purpose and taking shit on my burdens. I'm just me. No, I ain't no victim to hurt, and I just see all the people living and burning, so be free. Time to be a little bit nervous, it don't matter if you're scared, cause this shit is disturbing and I get it, and I don't wanna ever forget it. Guessing I'm headed towards the ending and I know it is splendid, so I'll see ya round. Yo, underachievers, hop on my wagon cause we dragging late, we gotta be leaving, man. So basically, I do this for fun, they ain't making me. I'm trying to have a blast cause we grown so fast, we be getting my career from A to Z. And basically I'm great, you see, I made my life at the age of 3, but what am I meant to do when my own fan base are hating me? I've seen people misusing the fans like crooks, manipulating their audience to catch that hook. They'll believe anything that you tell them. Look, you can feed them shits, you can sell your book. But no shots fired though. Nothing wrong with a little bit of lying though. I mean, look at Fox News, that's the whole premise of their entire show. But no political shit, I always do just enough. I'm a minimalist, making the most of my minimums, winning them. Got a couple of synonyms to help you listen to original bits. I have got a lot of digital prints. Man, your own home dog is a literal bitch, but I'm filling the syllables, it's a little predictable.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we're playing Pastel Rainbow. So this is what we've got going on for the colour scheme. I've got some Arctic Fox, the Cosmic Sunshine, Fruit Punch, Clover, Periwinkle and Jade, all from Adore. And I can't wait to use it, I'm so excited. So I'm going to also use some conditioner to dilute it a bit because I don't want it too dark. But seeing as my hair's still quite a minty colour, I'm going to need it a little bit darker to be able to cover it. I guess I should probably explain the hair situation at the moment. I bleached it yesterday, bleached my roots, and then I bleached the rest, as you can see that little clip at the start of the video. I'm going to redo my roots that same colour, so the greeny colour, a bit darker than this, and then I'm going to be putting the pastel rainbow all throughout it. I don't really have a plan, but I've watched quite a few YouTube videos on pastel rainbow hair, and I'm just gonna, go to town. Guess we'll find out. I'm a little bit worried that it's still too dark, so I'm not going to be able to get a perfect pastel, but I think I'm just going to go the tiniest bit darker, but still on the pastel side. As you can see, it's still quite dark, but I'm really hoping that the colour goes over top. I've got all my bowls, all my colours. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so these are the colours we've got going on, as you can see. This colour is going to be my roots, so that's going to be all the way down, and then the rest is going to be random strands of these colours. So I've mixed, it doesn't really come out on camera properly because the lighting is really bad and also the camera. I've mixed some blue and yellow to make the green. For this one it's the peachy colour, so I've mixed pink and yellow to come out a little peachier than it does on camera. For the purple it's just the basic purple, for the pink just the pink, yellow is just the yellow, and the blue is just the jade one that I used. My hair is quite dark, I had to make the dyes a bit darker. So I don't think it's going to be a pastel rainbow, I think it's going to be a neon rainbow, which will be just as cool. I literally have no plan or any idea what I'm doing, but I'm excited. I'm going to brush out all the knots, make it nice and even. So excited, oh my god. So I think I'm going to do like the green. I think I'm going to come down to like there-ish and just like pull it down so it's not so like flocky and liney. That makes sense. And then I'm just going to get some random colours. I think I might just wipe my hand off so I can put colours through, or change my gloves because I don't want to get like the other colours into the other colours, so on and so forth. Look at me, I'm a proper YouTuber now. I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I don't do this properly. So now, I'm scared. I've never done this one before. I've had so many colours, but I've never done this colour. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Maybe I should just do this all over. Nah. No way. No way, Jose. Oh, itchy. I'm too excited. I really hope I don't like frig it up, that I don't get colours like bled into the other colours. Bled? Bleed? Whatever. I can't really see properly, so that's a good start, isn't it? I think that when you do like a heap of different colours like rainbow stuff, no matter what you do or where you put it, it's always going to look good. I think. I'm gonna do purple. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna go in. I hope this covers. Yes! Oh god, this is so much fun. It's like so autistic. I need to calm down. I'm not gonna make it through the rest of this video otherwise. Oh my god, did I miss some at the back? I'm freaking out. I'm putting so much colour in just to make sure it's like and you want to do this to mess? Wow. You want to do this to mix the colours together because you don't want like too many like choppy lines. Oh my god. This is so much fun. Just wiping my hands on tissue and already have to get some more. Okay, so that's the first piece done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some tinfoil over it because I don't want it to go into the other colours. I'm going to use so much tinfoil, but how do I do this? I'm so unprofessional. There we go. Right, on to piece number 2. Hope that stays. This is so much fun. This is going to take so long. I'm going to do like a block by block maybe. I don't know. This is the beauty of it. You can just do what you want. Oh, shit! This is the beauty of it. You can just do what you want.
We gotta be exposed to. Think about who you are when it's so true. Think about the people
6.5 hours later.
I'm finally done. It takes so long. Oh my god. I think I underestimated how long it was going to take. So I'm going to go let this sit for another hour and then I'm going to wash it out and I'm hoping it looks awesome because I have no idea what I was doing because I was putting a colour on and wrapping it up. So I have no idea what colours next to each other because I kept forgetting what colour I just did. So it's going to be a shock to me and you. Oh my god, I have no idea what it's going to come out like, but I'm really hoping it's good. Okay, it's been an hour. It's been like 2 seconds for you guys, it's been an hour for me. I'm gonna jump in the shower and hope this looks amazing. Oh.
Yo, underachievers hop on my wagon cause we dragging late, we gotta be leaving, man. So basically, I do this for fun, they ain't making me. We're trying to have a blast cause we growing so fast, we be getting my career from A to Z. And basically, I'm great, you see. I made my life at the age of 3, but what am I meant to do when my own fan base are hating me? I've seen people misusing the fans like crooks, manipulating their audience to catch that hook. They'll believe anything that you tell them. Look, you can feed them shits, you can sell your book. But no shot.
Okay, it's taking me so long, but the lighting's gone now, so the sun's gone down. But anyway. can see it. I might actually film this tomorrow and you can see a full look tomorrow with it dry and sunlight, because it just looks green right now, but it's really not. So this is how it turned out in the end. I absolutely love it. I think it's super cool. I love the green. I just wish the colours came out a little bit brighter, but I'm happy. Let me know down in the comments below if you love it or you hate it. I don't mind. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we go?